Now we are ready to prepare our ragù for our pasta fresca. We need some olive oil, our paluf olive oil, red wine, we use the paluf red wine, onion, carrot, celery, meat and tomato sauce. We put some oil in the pan. We add the onion, the celery, and the carrot. We cook for a few minutes the ingredients. We stuff the carrot, celery and onion for 3 or 4 minutes. Now we add the meat. And mix with the other ingredients. We can use the beef meat or the pork meat, just one of these or both if you prefer. And when you see that the meat changed the color, you can add the wine, more or less half glass. After 20 minutes we can add the tomato sauce. We cook for 2 hours, and if you see that the ragu became too dry, we can add some wine. After 3 hours the ragu is ready. So we can cook the tagliatelle into the salt boiled water. We cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, our tagliatelle are ready. We take out from the water and we put in the dish. We put our ragu on the tagliatelle, and the tagliatelle are ready.